Yo, what up, guys? Here in northern New Jersey, it's about 33 degrees, and last night we had about a quarter-inch or so of ice on the cars, and just wanted to show you real quick. I got my truck plugged in again. You kind of see, I'll auto start it for you so we can see how quick that goes. So start, let's try it out. It's not overly cold, but that was quick. That was real quick. All right, well, we're gonna jump in. I'm gonna do the high idle again. I'll show you that in case you missed it. I'm also gonna show you one other trick. Beat this radio. All right, so again with the high idle, to manually put it in there, you need to actually start it for real. So foot on the brake, you're gonna push the start button and she'll start up again. Let me lower the fan here for right now. It's going to take a little while to warm up because of all this ice today, but you can see she started up real quick. All right, so to put it in high idle, what we're going to do is we're going to push the cruise control button once, then push the set button, and then you'll see she raised on the tachometer there, and you want to get the the RPMs up there a little bit higher. What you could do is you can toggle between plus and minus. Obviously plus raises, so you push this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I hit that like 6 times again, and she's up at around 1100 right now. I saw this in another couple of videos, so I wanted to try it. And if they say if you push the exhaust brake on, it even heats up quicker. So what we're gonna do is go down over to here, and we're gonna push the exhaust brake light, and you're gonna get this like jet engine sound. So you can see the exhaust brake light is on right there, the yellow light. Let's go outside and listen to that real quick, and then we'll end this video. But before we do, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll try to show you as much as I can in all different various aspects of my life and all my interests. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let's listen to this jet engine sound.